How to add events or appointment to your Timetree calendar. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to add events or appointment to your Timetree calendar. So in that case, you have to first of all make sure to log in into your Timetree account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. First thing, if you have multiple calendars, then you need to go to your image from the top right, and for that case you need to select the particular calendar type or a list of calendar for which you wish to set an event or add an appointment. So I'm gonna go with family, and when you do that, you can go ahead and press the particular date or month for which you wish to go ahead and set up appointment or event. So I'm gonna select this one, and then when you long press on the following date, you'll be able to find this option as create new event. Go ahead and select that, go ahead and enter in the type. For that, you need to go ahead and press on it, and then you can set a reminder as well. So for that case, you can select the date for which you wish to go ahead and set a reminder, notification, and all that. And if you wish to set a reminder, then you can go to no notification button located right at the bottom, and when you enable it, you can go ahead and just enable the reminder as well. And accordingly, you can go ahead and set all of these and customize all of these. So make sure to go through it and click the save button to confirm your event or appointment. So that's how you can add events or appointment to Timetree calendar. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.